Hi guys, Piotr here. This is LiteFinance Global YouTube channel, and it's my pleasure to prepare the euro-dollar analysis for you. Well, as we are approaching end of the August, we are going to start with the monthly chart. With that being said, what I see here on the euro-dollar is the thing related to the latest swing high, which hasn't been even tested, to be honest with you. All right, monthly chart, red color. All right, so as you can see, we didn't finish the things related to the retest of the swing high. We reacted when it comes to the euro dollar. We reacted lately within the previous supply zone over here, and since then we didn't get quite retest the levels we are talking about. In that case, we are talking about the 123. From that, what we can do is to make the one, in that case we can make the 1-to-1 measure. All right, and that's what we are going to get. In that case, the low here, all right, the low here is related to what? Is related to this swing low. So let's put the line here as well. In that case, it's almost ideal 1-to-1. So if you are a long-term trader, you are going to look for what is going to happen when we are going to revisit these levels. In that case, we are talking about the 116.50 and 116 psychological level. If that's going to be broken, then we might start to think what the next downside target, right? We might start to think what the next downside target. In that case, as you can see, levels close to 109, we might double the range and we might revisit this monthly swing low over here around 109. That's the things I see when it comes to the monthly chart. So overall, trying to summarize, it's so important how we are going to behave around 116. If we are going to leave a lower shadow like this, and we are going to get the monthly close above this line, in that case that could be long setup around this level when it comes to the medium and long term. On the other hand, if we are going to get the monthly close below 116, we are opening probably 109 with midline right around 113.80, somewhere here. So let's switch lower. Let's have a look what we have when it comes to the weekly chart on the euro dollar. Well, from the weekly chart perspective, it's even better visible, because as you can see here, we have three major lines based on the weekly chart, two of them, and one red one based on the monthly chart. If we are going to break through the one, by the way, 1-to-1 is even better visible here. This 1-to-1 is even better visible here, because we are going to touch exactly this swing low from the monthly and the weekly chart over here. So the crucial is 116. Once we are going to get the close below, we are opening from the weekly chart perspective few additional levels. So we are opening the zone around 1370, 1350. We are talking about those swing highs to the left, and as you can see, it's going to be the almost midline between when we are talking about the doubling the range to the downside. It's gonna be 50% of this particular range, and then we see final zone around 110, 109 when it comes to the final target. So again, from the weekly chart perspective, it's all about the behavior around 1640, 1615 when it comes to the end of the week. Now let's switch to the daily chart. With that being said, we already broke very important level last Thursday, Wednesday, right? We broke through the important levels. So what we seen last Friday, I would say it was some kind of the retest of the broken demand zone. So as of now here, right, we have the very, very important levels. If we are going to retest them, that could be early Monday, and if we are going to hold below, we can consider this as a selling opportunity. So what I'm going to look for when it comes to the Monday price action, when it comes to the daily chart, I'm going to look for the specific attempt to go higher. And we were discussing this type of the setup quite a few times. So what I'm going to look for, I'm going to look for market trying to take out Thursday high, maybe Wednesday high, right? But ending the day below the green line, in that case we are talking about the levels close to 117, 117.20, leaving the upper shadow, and that could be the setup to go lower, as low as 1640, 1615. And the reaction here is going to be quite important, especially if we are going to add the trend line here. All right, that's what we have. Nice wage, and maybe market will decide to go higher from here. If we are going to stay below 1720, we are going to retest the 1720, and then we might still continue to the south. We might see market is going lower or even lower when it comes to the euro dollar. Very interesting situation, and as we are discussing medium long-term perspective right now, you have to be patient, in my opinion. You have to wait and see what's going to happen. When it comes to the day traders, this daily chart is also looking very, very nice, and 1720, 1760 is going to be your selling area when it comes to the buyers. If we are going to be that high over here, 1760, then your buying area is going to be 17. We are talking about this level related to the over-under, and from here we might see the rally. So, taking into the consideration daily chart, the sellers around 1760, 1720, the full zone, and the buyers, if we are going to break 1720, the buyers are going to be around 1720, 17. But if we are going to continue to the downside right from here, then the buyers are down towards 1640, 1615 level, and from here eventually with the retest trying to go higher. That's how I see the things related to the daily chart. Let's switch lower to the hourly. Let's have a look what we have here. Let's zoom the things, and as you can see, once, twice, 3 times. So short-term buyers wanna see this latest supply. Okay, this latest supply, that's gonna be the zone. The buyers wanna see the upside break, pullback, and this zone to hold. All right. Sellers 1730, stop count above latest recent high, up towards 1750, 1765, as we discussed. That's how I see the things when it comes to the sell side, when it comes to the supply. With that being said, guys, we did the specific analysis for both bulls and bears. You know what you are looking for, you know what you are watching for. Wish you great trading day. See you around. Take care and goodbye.